This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE smartphone. I've been using it for about a month, and here are some pros and cons that I noticed while using it. First, let me tell you the pros. Samsung is known to have the best display, and this one is no different. It has a dynamic AMOLED 2X display that produces sharp and vibrant colors. And with 1450 nits of brightness, it stays perfectly visible even in bright environments. Its cameras are on par with some of the best smartphone cameras out there. It can shoot Ultra HD videos at 60 FPS and 8K videos at 24 FPS. It takes stunning photos and portraits, and its low light performance is top-notch. Overall, it has a very capable camera system. The build of this phone is awesome. It features flat aluminum sides and a glass back design that looks and feels premium. It has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both front and back, further improving its durability. As for the cons, let's start with the display. Although it has a stunning display, its huge bezels are an eyesore. Although after some time I've gotten used to it, the bezels are large. The battery life of the device can be considered average. For a typical user, it will comfortably last throughout the day. However, for heavy users, especially those who have set the refresh rate to adaptive, the battery may struggle to last even 5 hours. The S23 FE does not come with a charger. It supports 25-watt fast wired charging, and although it is very slow, it also supports 15-watt wireless charging. Even with wired charging, the phone can take more than 1.5 hours to go from 0 to 100%. The last thing is heating. This phone runs smoothly most of the time, but while playing heavy games for longer periods or while doing some power-intensive tasks on it, the phone heats up pretty fast.